When brainstorming resources for my lesson, I came across this resource, Planets for Kids. It is a free astronomy network for kids, and it provides in-depth explanations of the planets we find in our solar system at a level that elementary age students can comprehend. If you scroll down, Planets for Kids will give you a rundown of all the planets we see in our solar system. Terrestrial planets are what I'm focusing my lesson on. If I click the icon of the terrestrial planet, it'll expand into an explanation of what terrestrial planets are. It'll give me an introduction, and it will give me the statistics regarding these planets. I should mention that terrestrial planets are Earth-like planets, and the terrestrial planets we find in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Planets for Kids gives me the history of the name terrestrial. Like I said, it's most Earth-like. And this resource will also give me how these planets formed, the structure and surface of these planets, the atmosphere, and if life could exist on either of these planets. It will give me interesting information, the space visits that have been recorded, facts about terrestrial planets that I could use with my students, pop culture regarding these planets, and more resources at the bottom. If I go back to the main page of this resource, it will also give me an in-depth explanation of all the moons that we find. This can easily be adapted for a moon lesson. The other topics that Planets for Kids explores are stars, galaxies, and dwarf planets, since these also make up our solar system.